Have you heard of Profit First? So how does Profit First work? Do you have to do what the book says exactly, or can you customize it to fit your needs in your shop? These are great questions and questions I get pretty often. But first, to ensure we're all on the same page, Profit First is a cash management system for businesses that has been adapted and modernized using multiple checking accounts. I love the Profit First system. I use it in my own business and help implement and maintain the system in other businesses. My name is Jacob Curtis. I'm a CPA and certified Profit First professional and a business coach. I started Curtis Accounting Solutions to remove the stress of doing the bookkeeping, payroll, and taxes off of quilt and craft shop owners and to provide practical business advice that helps them piece together financial freedom. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions on today's episode, so please leave a comment below and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Where the rubber hits the road. So how does the Profit First system work exactly in the day-to-day, where rubber hits the road kind of a way? The day-to-day is simple. Once you have your accounts created, nicknamed, and percentages figured, every couple of weeks, you simply allocate or transfer all of the money your quilt and craft shop has earned and accumulated in the income account to the other checking accounts based on your specific percentages that are tailored to your shop. You then run your business and make decisions based on the balances of those accounts. Splitting your money into different checking accounts helps you to spend and save appropriately. Ultimately, it will help you be a good steward of your resources and fulfill your responsibility as a business owner. Finding your starting percentages. You know where you stand today by looking at how you've spent and saved your money over the last year. We do this by completing what Mike Michalowicz, the author of Profit First, calls the instant assessment. The instant assessment results will give you your current allocation percentages, or CAPs for short, and which accounts you will need to incrementally adjust and move toward your target allocation percentages, or TAPs. The details of how to do this are too much for this video, but you can click on the link below to download the exact steps you need to take for free. Today, I will just do an overview of the process. So step 1, you need to determine how much money you have collected from your customers over the past 12 months. This is typically your sales amount on your profit and loss statement. We call this your top line revenue or total income. Step 2, now this is where we customize the Profit First system to be more quilt and craft shop friendly. In the book, Mike Michalowicz calls this category mats and subs. I just call it inventory because most quilt and craft shops operate around selling physical products or inventory. You need to determine how much inventory you purchased over the last year. This is the cash spent on inventory, not how much is still on the shelf, but actually spent on inventory. Step 3, profit. You need to know how much you have saved specifically for a real emergency over the last year. In most cases, this is probably 0. Step 4, owner's compensation. This is the amount you paid yourself and the benefits you received from the business, like health insurance and retirement contributions. Step 5, taxes. The amount you've specifically saved or paid for the annual income taxes of the business and the owner of the business. This is not company payroll taxes or sales taxes. Again, in most cases, this is probably 0. Step 6, operating expenses are the sum of all the other expenses like rents, employee payroll, sales and payroll taxes, debt payments, everything else except depreciation because it's a non-cash expense. Step 7, once you have these numbers for each category, you do simple division and multiplication to get your current allocation percentages. Divide each category by your top line revenue, multiply that by 100, and you have your CAPs. Again, if you need help getting this done, please click the link below to download the free Profit First starting guide. Step 8, now that you have your current allocation percentages, the next step is to compare them to the standard target allocation percentages and create a plan to advance your shop toward those target percentages. Again, the free step-by-step Profit First starting guide will help you with these steps. Most quilt and craft shop owners are not shocked by their results. They have intuitively known that they have had a bit of a mess. But the good news is that you can use the Profit First system to get you on the path to financial freedom. I know because this is what we did and what other quilt and craft shops do. By simply sticking to the percentages and not spending more than is available, you will start to make the change to financial freedom. I must warn you that it can be very painful at times, but it is well worth it. Imagine what you could do if you had all your debt paid off. What would you do with that extra cash? How could you impact your customers, your family, and your community? Using Profit First saved our shop, and if you stick to Profit First, it can help you too. Your next steps are to click the link below to download the free step-by-step a Profit First Starting Guide. Tell me in the comments below or email me at jacob@jacobcurtiscpa.com if you are surprised by the results of this exercise. If you need help with this and/or piecing together financial freedom in your shop, please schedule a call with me by clicking the link below. Remember to follow me, Jacob Curtis CPA, and Curtis Accounting Solutions on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon.